Ever found yourself dreading that moment when a perfectly calculated spreadsheet suddenly changes because someone accidentally updated a source cell? Today, we're diving into a crucial Excel skill that will give you control over your data, how to remove formulas but keep the results, transforming those dynamic calculations into permanent, static values. Our first, and often simplest, method is the power of copy and paste special. Imagine you have a sheet filled with formulas, like this column of sums. First, select all the cells containing the formulas you want to convert, then right-click on your selection and choose Copy. Now, click on the first empty cell where you want your static data to appear. This is usually right next to your original formulas, or you can choose another location entirely. Next, right-click on this destination cell and look for the Paste Special option. When you hover over it, a submenu will appear. From the Paste Special options, select Values. This is the magic command that tells Excel to paste only what it sees, the calculated result, and ignore the underlying formula. And there you have it. Your original formulas are still there, but the new column now holds your data as static, unchangeable values. No more accidental recalculations. Now, let's say you need to do this for your entire sheet, and you want to replace the formulas in place. We can achieve this efficiently with a quick process. Select all the cells that contain formulas you want to convert. This could be an entire column, a range, or even your entire spreadsheet. Copy this entire selection. Then, right-click on that same starting cell to bring up the context menu. Once again, choose Paste Special and select Values. This will effectively overwrite your original formulas with their calculated results, keeping your data exactly where it is but making it static. This method is incredibly handy for archiving data, preparing reports, or when you need to share a spreadsheet without exposing your calculation logic. Mastering the Paste Special Values technique is a fundamental step in efficient data management within Excel, ensuring your important information remains exactly as you intended. Keep those important calculations secure and static. For more Excel insights, follow along.